We'll guide you through how to remove the disk is write protected error from USB drives. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps trying to go and format a USB drive or even go and put a file on there, and you're going and getting the error that it's write protected. So we'll go and remove this. Go and open up command prompt, so you can press search at the bottom and you want to go and find it here, CMD, then you can right click on it and press run as administrator, press yes, and it will then open. You need to go and type in disk part like so. Then you want to go and type in list disk like this, and you'll see the different disks here. What you want to do is go and press this PC to the left and identify the disk you want to do this with. You can do it by the size, so I can it's about 7.5 gigabytes. And if I come back to command prompt, we can see that as disk 3 basically, 7,700 megabytes. Then you want to go and type in select disk and then the number it is. For me, it's 3 because that's to the left. And now you want to go and type in attributes, disk, clear, read only, like so, and press enter. Now, if we try and put a file on there, you'll be able to see we can successfully go and do it.